Pushing both levers forward moves the excavator forward. Pulling them back moves it backward. Pushing just the left lever makes the excavator turn right. And pushing just the right lever makes it turn left. The right-hand joystick. Moving it left rotates it left. Moving it right rotates it right. Pushing it forward extends the boom. And pulling it back retracts the boom. The left-hand joystick. Moving it down lowers the main arm. Moving it up raises the main arm. Moving it left curls the bucket in to dig, and moving it right opens the bucket to dump